close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Festivals are an event ordinarily celebrated by a community and centering on some characteristic aspect of the culture. It is also known as local and national holiday. Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage of the culture and tradition. So now we will explain something more about festivals. So the famous festival Diwali would be explained by Rashi.
The festival of lights Diwali has been around for a long time. Diwali is one of the India's biggest festival and Hindus celebrate it with a great cheer and joy. During this festival, people light up their houses and shops with diyas. It teaches us to be kind to everyone. They worship Lord Ganesha for prosperity and Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Thank you.
So now another festival Navratri will be explained by Richa.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Navratri. Navratri is the joyous way of worshipping Goddess Durga. And this festival is celebrated with joy and fervor in whole country. And in northeastern and eastern part, this festival is also known as Durga Puja. Now means night and Ratri means night. Sharad Navratri is the most famous festival in India. Thank you.
Going around these walls, fighting to create a song.
And now the other festival Dashera will be explained by Pooja.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
Dashera is one of the famous festival of Hindu. It is also known as Vijayadashmi. On this day, Lord Ram killed Ravan. It is celebrated on 10th day of Shukla Paksh and last day of Navratri. On this day, Ramlila was played by people. Effects of Ravan and Kumbhakarna are burned. Fair are organized and market are decorated with flower and lightnings. It is celebrated in India as well as our neighboring countries like Nepal and Bangladesh. It marks the beginning of festival Diwali, as Diwali is celebrated after 20 days of Dashera. The Dashera is the festival of victory of good over evil.
And the other festival Raksha Bandhan will be explained by Varsha.
My name is Varsha Bhatt and I am talking about today Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is one of the important festivals of Hindu religion and it is celebrated all over India on the full moon day of Purnima Shravan month according to Hindu calendars. Raksha Bandhan is festivals of brother and sisters. On this day, sisters tie special band called Rakhi on their brother's wrist. Raksha Bandhan celebrate love and affections between the brothers and sisters. Thank you.
So now our favorite festival Holi will be explained by Neha.
As you all know that the Holi is the festival of the color. We celebrate this festival with the triumph of good over the evil. Before the colorful day, we also celebrate the Holika Dahan, which is also the part of the Holi. The reason behind celebrating this festival is the story of a king named Hiranyakashipu. This king had a son named Prahlad, who was highly devoted to the god. Prahlad's devotion made his father angry and he decided to kill him. He asked his sister Holika, who was immune to fire, to sit in fire with the Prahlad in her lap. Fortunately, Prahlad was blessed by the god and he didn't get burned, but the Holika got burned into ashes. This led to the festival of the Holi. Thank you.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So now, the famous festival Christmas will be explained by Khushi.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever.
Christmas. Christmas is the most popular and prevalent festival that is celebrated in whole country. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. This is most significant festival of Christians that is celebrated to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. The Christmas tree is decorated with colored glass, bells and paper stars. Children believe that Santa Claus leaves the gifts for them under the Christmas tree. It is the festival of joy and happiness. It is celebrated with enthusiasm in whole country. Thank you.
Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
The other national festival, Independence Day, will be explained by Priyanka.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
August 15, as we celebrate Independence Day, fill us with a great excitement of unfurling tricolor and taking part in celebration and listening patriotic song give an immense pleasure to an Indian's heart. On this day, the youth of India should feel a special pride of being a citizen of a free nation. We gratefully remember our freedom fighters whose sacrifices are being enable us to live in a free nation. Thank you.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on. Shadow turns to sun rays, and on. Shadow turns to sun rays, and on. Shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Thanks for watching this video.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on.